Very good afternoon, Just Planes. Welcome on board on this flight of Etihad AY371 to Bahrain. We are almost fully ready to depart. Boarding is almost completed. Just some kind of paperwork, weight and balance, load sheet to be on board, and we should be ready to close the doors. And it seems that we're departing close to scheduled time of departure today. Our flight time expected 55 minutes all the way, quite a short flight. We climb at 26,000 feet, and as you can see on my GPS in here, our routing is going to take place from Abu Dhabi all the way to Bahrain. We'll be flying on a northwesterly direction after departure, and we'll fly over north of Doha, and then finally we'll start our descent for our landing, probably northeasterly direction, runway 30 right in Bahrain. We're expecting to taxi out of our stand, which we are basically located at the moment in Terminal 3. It's going to be quite a long taxi. We'll go all the way to the northern runway, runway 31 right. It's going to take approximately 15 minutes. And finally, we should be taking off from runway 31 right on our departure today, expected Bosef 1 Papa, which is take us to the north and towards Bosef. The weather seems quite good, clear skies, no turbulence expected. In Bahrain at the same, very nice weather with ground temperature of 30 degrees at the moment. But more information I will revert back just prior to starting our descent to update you. It is a pleasure to serve you as a captain today. My name is Harris, together with Senior First Officer Jas. Welcome on board, and please join us for our departure briefing. Okay, Jas, are you ready for a briefing?
Ready.
Have you checked the FMS entries and the data?
Yes, I have. All exactly as we discussed. Apart from, I wonder if it's worth hard tuning one of the VORs.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Okay, I'll put in Alpha Delta Victor and a course 306 on number 2.
Check.
Apart from that, all checked.
Okay, since it's the first flight of the day today, I'm going to go through the emergency briefing.
Okay.
And then we'll go through the rest of the items. In case of any failure before V1, I may call stop or go. If my call is stop, I will reject the takeoff using full reverse, bring the aircraft to a complete stop, and set the parking brake on and confirm, and you inform the ATC that we stop on the runway.
Stop. Now I'll call reverse as decel on the rollout.
Okay, if my call is go, or for any failure after V1, we continue the takeoff. No actions below 400 feet except gear up, cancel any master caution and warnings, and we fly, navigate, communicate. Priority to the fly, I will use the automation as soon as possible to reduce our workload.
Okay.
And if it's an engine failure, the engine failure procedure today, it's 15 miles from Abu Dhabi VOR, and then direct to Lubus and hold.
Hold right turns, exactly.
And right turns hold. Okay, any questions about that?
No.
Okay, what threats do we anticipate today, Jas?
Okay, so we're taxiing today for 31 right.
Yep.
So there's a few hotspots we'll have to navigate through. Hotspot 10, hotspot 6, which is the intersection between Echo 6 and the runway. So those we'll have to mitigate, I think.
I agree with you, Jas. We'll keep an eye outside. We don't do any heads out all the time.
Yep.
We don't do any unnecessary distractions during crossing
Yep.
the runway and those Echo 6.
If I'm confused at any point, I'll just ask you to slow down and ultimately stop and put the park brake on, and we'll get
clarify
a clarification.
with ATC. Excellent. Any other threats?
Then the departure itself, I thought on the SID, we have a mandatory automatic switchover, 1,000 feet to the next frequency, which is exactly the time we'll be cleaning the aircraft and selecting the packs to on. So all that could get a bit bunched. So I suggest maybe once you've reduced the power, We put the packs on, clean the aircraft up, and then once that's done, then I'll talk to air traffic control and accept the few hundred feet.
Yeah, that makes sense. Just is a good point. And also, if you forget the packs, I will call packs without mentioning any number to avoid confusing this with the flaps.
Understood.
Okay. I don't see any other threats today except that we'll be crossing the runway as we mentioned. And my plan today is we're at stand 308. We're planning to do one engine taxi out since it's a long taxi to the northern runway 31 right. As you have mentioned, we have besides that Echo 6, which is the hotspot, keep an eye outside all the times and make sure we are not starting any engines at that time. Expecting to start the engine after we cross the runway on taxiway hotel, most probably.
Okay.
We are on a straight line at that time. And then we should be expecting departure from an intersection Alpha 14 on runway 31 right, which is here. Packs off takeoff, flaps 1. And will be left-hand seat takeoff, manage departure on a Bosev 1 Papa, as you have correctly briefed, checked in the box, and with altitude and speed constraints, which is basically on 10-3 Lima, and we're climbing on 338, slight right turn after departure, and then left towards Bosev, unless otherwise cleared by ATC.
Checked.
Expect me to set the pilot not later than 1,000 feet.
Okay.
Okay, and initial climb clearance is 4,000 feet, and then as per the ATC.
Okay, that's understood. 308, reduced engine taxi, crossing an active runway, start the second engine on the other side of 31 left. The departure itself, expecting intersection takeoff, flap 1, flex, packs off. And we agreed that we would clean the aircraft, put the packs on before we speak to ATC at 1,000, and you expect to put the autopilot in by 1,000. I'll remind you if you're still hand flying.
Excellent. That makes sense. Thank you, Jazz.
Okay.
Dhabi 303, delivery pass message.
Checks below the line.
Quebec,
Windows, doors. Closed, beacon.
On.
Thrust levers.
Idle.
Park brake.
On.
Before start check is complete.
Fly the ground.
Clear to Dilma, 2 kilo departure.
Clear for push, facing east.
Clear to push and start, phase 3 is release brake, please.
Brakes released.
Ground to copy.
Fly the ground.
Clear to start engines.
Starting engine 2 and 1 in sequence.
Roger.
Starting engine 2, Jazz.
Yeah, we were still standing by. Well, apologies, sir. With Sky 7009, you are cleared to Greek, clear to Thessaloniki via taxi 1 kilo departure, runway 31 left, initially maintained 5,000 feet, squawk code 1712, departure frequency 128.1. Clear to Thessaloniki via the taxi 1 kilo, squawking 1712, after departure 128.1, and request start push. Roger, with Sky 7009 and stand 136, pushback engine start approved, face to the north. QNH now is 1010. QNH 1010, start push approved, facing north, with Sky 700.
Ground to copy.
Fly the ground, go ahead.
107 now, ready copy, doing new clearance. With Sky 710,
Brake, parking brake set.
to destination
Starting engine number 1.
Taxi 1 kilo departure, runway 31 left. Initially maintain 5,000 feet, squawk code 1725, departure frequency 128.1.
Copy, so taxi 1 kilo, Y31 left, and initial climb altitude 5,000 feet, squawking 1725, and frequency after departure 128.1 with Sky 7107, thank you.
107, read back correct, call again ready for start and push.
Welcome. Bahrain 8 with the information Romeo RJ85, request starting push Royal Apron.
Bahrain 08, roger, start up at your own discretion, stand by for ATC clearance, I will call you back.
Start up on discretion, stand by for clearance Bahrain 8.
Delivery Etihad 212, good day again, stand 112, clearance receive, ready.
Etihad 212, stand by.
Etihad 212, clear to destination, Canib 4 kilo departure, runway 31 left, squawk 3423, departure frequency 1281, initial climb altitude 5.
Fly the ground.
Okay, 31 left, Canib 4 kilo, squawk 3423.
Engines running, you're clear to disconnect, awaiting visual clearance with the pin on the right side. Thank you very much for your help, have a nice day.
Okay, thanks, you know, the PN on the
QNH 131, city information, Romeo.
Okay, face east 1010, information Romeo Etihad 212.
Visual signal on the right.
Thank you. After start checklist.
After start checklist. Anti-ice.
Off.
ECAM status.
Check.
Pitch trim.
27 set.
Rudder trim.
0.
After start checklist completed.
Thank you. Request taxi.
Etihad 371, request taxi.
Confirm Etihad 371, request taxi.
APM.
Etihad 371, taxi via Echo 9er. Echo 15, holding point downward 31 left.
Echo 9, Echo 15, holding point 31 left, Etihad 371. Clear right side.
Okay, it's straight ahead. Echo 9, first left.
Second right.
Yes. All the way to...
All the way to the Echo 15 holding point.
Okay, approaching Echo, we can request Echo 14 as briefed.
Check.
Okay, left side is clear.
Right clear. One ahead, pushing back.
Check.
North, good evening, Fire Command Plus Company.
Fire Command Plus Company, Abu Dhabi Ground North, good afternoon.
Turning left for clear right side.
Clear left.
Fire Command
left.
Plus Company at main fire station and fire station 1, request permission to proceed to fire station 2.
Fire Command Plus Company, proceed north, taxiways, hold short of mic.
Proceed north
right.
and taxiways and
Clear right
short
side,
of
cabin
mic
is ready.
Fire Command Plus Company.
Ready via Echo 14
APM.
and second right.
Etihad 371, request Echo 14 intersection departure.
Etihad 371, taxi Echo 14, holding point downward 31 left.
Thank you, Echo 14, holding point 31 left, Etihad 371.
Turning right
Clear
onto
right side.
Echo.
Delivery Alpha Sector
Echo, and we're cleared Echo 1.
Information Lima, request
Check.
taxi clearance.
Station calling Abu Dhabi Ground, second please.
Sussex Alpha Whiskey Lima. Lima, request to start up clearance of Alpha 3 Mubarak.
Ready for flight controls.
Alpha 6 Alpha Whiskey.
Pull down. Neutral. Pull left. Pull right.
Rudder
Neutral.
check.
Pull left. Pull right. Neutral, mine. Checked.
And second left is Echo 14.
Echo 14, A firm.
Before takeoff checklist.
Before takeoff checklist. Flight controls. When ready, Etihad 371. When ready, 192, and the next frequency 1281.
Okay, continue checklist.
Flight controls.
Checked.
Checked. Flight instruments.
Checked.
Checked. Briefing.
Confirmed.
Flap setting.
Config 2 selected, inserted. Config 2 displayed.
Alpha 1, let's say Echo 14, first left. Config 2 selected, inserted and displayed. V1 VR V2 flex temp.
V1 134, VR 134, V2 137, flex 68.
34, 34, 37, flex 68, ATC.
Set.
ECAM memo.
Takeoff no blue.
Down to the line.
Ready for departure. 5 minutes we have for the engines.
Check.
Have a good day.
Have a good day, Alpha 6 over.
So hello, Etihad 371, holding short 31 left, Echo 14, ready for departure.
Had 371, Dhabi tower south, Roger, hold short 151 left, traffic, slow climber, just Airborne.
Hold short, Echo 14, hold short 31 left, Etihad 371.
Okay, holding short, runway 31 left.
Checked.
On Echo 14.
South, ready to
Parking brake set.
Saudi 570, traffic Airbus A320 will depart ahead, continue approach. Copy, Saudi 570. Had 371, behind the traffic touchdown, via Icon 4 line up and wait, runway 31 left behind.
Okay, behind landing Air India Express, line up and wait, 31 left from Echo 14 behind Etihad 371.
Okay, stop bars are off.
Approach is clear, 1 is on long final.
Okay, lining up. Below the line.
Leader 3 standby.
Checks below the line. Takeoff runway.
Runway 31 left by Echo 14.
31 left, Echo 14, confirm, cabin crew.
Advanced.
TCAS.
TARA.
Engine mode selector.
Normal.
Packs coming off.
Had 371, traffic approaching 5 miles. Final. Report ready.
Before takeoff checklist completed.
Thank you. And we're clear for takeoff.
Etihad 371, say again.
371 with no delays here. Service 1330 degrees 12 knots. Runway 31 left via Cone 5. Clear for immediate takeoff. Bye bye.
Okay, via Echo 14, clear immediate takeoff 31 left. Etihad 371, goodbye.
Ready?
Ready, clear takeoff.
Ground start 123, decimal 975. 123, 975.
Takeoff.
Over 9, correct. Ready.
Tower Etihad 212, good day, approaching Echo 15 for 31 left, fully ready.
Manflet, Cesarez, runway, auto thrust blue.
Also 31
Checked.
left, Etihad 212.
Thrust set. For 100 knots.
Check.
V1 rotate.
Dhabi tower south, AGL 6.
Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Now.
Ready 570, service 1320 degrees 13 knots, runway 31 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 31 left, idea 570.
81. Checked.
Abu Dhabi tower south, AGL 6.
Thrust climb, auto thrust.
Check. Pack. First on.
Flap 1.
Speed. Check.
AGL
Flap.
6, proceed to land.
1.
Thank you, sir. AGL 6, proceeding to
Second pack on.
Check. Traffic 11 o'clock, below us 1,300 feet.
And 366, turn right heading 250.
5250 at the braking system.
Flap 0.
Speed check. Flap 0. Radar hello, Etihad 371, passing 2000, climbing 5000 on a bus F1 kilo.
Good afternoon, Air 371, Abu Dhabi radar identified. Consider climb flight level 150 unrestricted.
Climb flight level 150 unrestricted, Etihad 371.
150,000 blue, open climb, unrestricted climb, unstable climb, checklist.
After takeoff, climb checklist, landing gear,
Up,
flaps,
retracted,
packs,
on,
down the line.
Tower Etihad 212, good day, approaching Echo 15431 left, fully ready.
Manfred, Cesarez, runway, auto thrust good.
Also 31
Checked.
Etihad 212.
Thrust set. For 100 knots.
Check.
V1 rotate.
Abu Dhabi Tower South A06.
Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Now,
Ready 570 service 132
Check.
13 knots, runway 31 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 31 left, India 570.
81. Checked.
Abu Dhabi Tower South A06.
Thrust line climb, auto thrust.
Check. Pack. Just on.
Flap 1.
Speed. Check. Flap.
6, proceed to land.
1.
Thank you, sir. AGL6, proceeding
Second pack. On.
Check. Traffic 11 o'clock, below us 1,300 feet.
And a 366, turn right heading 250.
5250 at the 366.
Flap 0.
Speed check. Flap 0. Radar hello, Etihad 371, passing 2,000, climbing 5,000 on a bus F1 kilo.
Good afternoon, Air 371, Abu Dhabi radar identified. Consider climb flight level 150 unrestricted.
Climb flight level 150 unrestricted, Etihad 371.
150,000 blue, open climb, unrestricted climb, unstable climb, checklist.
Tower Etihad 212, good day, approaching Echo 15431 left, fully ready.
Manfred, Cesarez, runway, auto thrust good.
Also 31
Checked.
Etihad 212.
Thrust set. For 100 knots.
Check.
V1 rotate.
Abu Dhabi Tower South A06.
Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Now,
Ready 570 service 132
Check.
13 knots, runway 31 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 31 left, India 570.
81. Checked.
Abu Dhabi Tower South A06.
Thrust line climb, auto thrust.
Check. Pack. Just on.
Flap 1.
Speed. Check. Flap.
6, proceed to land.
1.
Thank you, sir. AGL6, proceeding
Second pack. On.
Check. Traffic 11 o'clock, below us 1,300 feet.
And a 366, turn right heading 250.
5250 at the 366.
Flap 0.
Speed check. Flap 0. Radar hello, Etihad 371, passing 2,000, climbing 5,000 on a bus F1 kilo.
Good afternoon, Air 371, Abu Dhabi radar identified. Consider climb flight level 150 unrestricted.
Climb flight level 150 unrestricted, Etihad 371.
150,000 blue, open climb, unrestricted climb, unstable climb, checklist.
After takeoff, climb checklist, landing gear,
Up,
flaps,
retracted,
packs, On. Down the line.
Tower Etihad 212, good day, approaching Echo 15431 left, fully ready.
Mark left, SRS, runway, auto thrust blue.
Also 31
Checked.
left, 212.
Thrust set. For 100 knots.
Check.
V1 rotate.
Dhabi Tower South 806.
Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Now.
Ready 570 service 1320 runway 31 left, clear to land. Clear to land 31 left, idea 570.
81.
Control 12 seated decimal 9.
1209, Etihad 371.
Father 366.
Radar contact.
UAE, hello, Etihad 371, climbing unrestricted, flight level 150.
Etihad 371, UAE radar contact. Exit November 563, MGOX orbit, climb initially flight to 220.
Climb flight level 220 and November 563, MGOX orbit, Etihad 371.
22,000 blue.
Checked. $10,000 above airdrome.
Quiet.
Seatbelts.
Auto.
Airport.
Clear and copy.
Roger. 260 cruise, which is way below the optimum and rec max, obviously. Okay.
FA 1147, clear direct to Kochi.
Direct quickly, RV 1147, check out.
Set standard.
Standard is set, cross-checked, passing 134 now,
Below the line.
below the line, by reference value,
Standard set.
standard set, after takeoff climb checklist completed.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Cargo 7, Sierra, Sierra, Bravo, passing 11-8 to 150.
Thank you, 7. British Sky 7009, climb flight level 380, the cross auxiliary, flight level 310 or above.
Climb flight level 380 and pass auxiliary 310 or above. Sky 7009.
Out cruise.
Cruise check.
7009 for the spacing, will you be able to do the restriction of the
Can
speed of
you call them serial cockpits over?
You have communications?
Okay.
280 or less is nice. Yes, Sky 7009.
So hi again. We reached top of climb now, 24,000 feet, which is approximately 7,000 meters above mean sea level. We're flying direct to Bahrain now on a northwesterly direction, and we should be starting our descent on this little arrow in approximately 10 minutes from now, which is 80 nautical miles. The weather in Bahrain, we just received all the latest airfield data. It's nice weather. The winds variable from the east. We expect runway 30 right and ground temperature of 32 degrees Celsius. We should be on the ground in approximately, let's say, in approximately 25 minutes from now. Currently, as you can see, we are approaching north of Qatar and Doha, and which is going to be our descent point. Please join me for our arrival briefing. Okay, Jazz, are you ready for a briefing?
I am.
Okay, have you checked my MCDU data and all the entries?
Yes.
Any questions?
No, all as we agreed.
Okay, what threats do we anticipate for our approach and landing in Bahrain today?
So a few things come to mind. Landing runway 31 right, so 30 right. I think we might, because of this arrival, we may have some a change of, well, with the wind as is, which is right across the runway, forecast to switch around to favour runway 12. We may get a change of runway, late notice.
I agree with that. As a mitigation action, Jazz, for the energy management, maybe they will keep us straight in, as you said. We should be by 8 miles,
yep.
2,400 feet, and flaps 2 at the latest. This is our target. If we see that we cannot make that, we ask for increased track miles. In regards to the other threat, which is runway change last minute, is going to give us more track miles in terms of that, in terms of energy management. However, to avoid last minute changes, I selected on secondary flight plan 1 to left with associated performance.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we might end, if we don't get 1-2 left, we may end up with a tailwind, I guess.
Yeah.
Still on 30.
This is another threat that I'm anticipating by selecting flaps full for landing.
Okay.
Okay. Now, my plan today.
Sorry, and then on the ground as well, we have a lot of taxiways work in progress.
That's correct.
So that could be a bit confusing. I haven't been here in a while, so.
Yeah, I have spotted those. Okay, so the main apron that we are parking is here.
Yep.
All the red are closed, and we should anticipate via Alpha 4, and then as a mitigation, we get the clearance, and then when we are comfortable with the ATC clearance and the direction of the taxiway, then we only do the after landing checklist.
Okay, understood.
Okay. So my plan today, as mentioned, is 30 left runway, follow the arrival or radar vectors, okay? Energy management might be an issue, we discussed about it. You should be expecting me by 8 nautical miles, 2,400 feet, we start selecting flaps 2 and fly airspeed.
Check.
Okay. This is the ILS runway. I can see now, I identified that the missed approach is very low, 2,500 feet. So this is another thing that we should anticipate as a threat.
Okay.
Okay. So in case of a missed approach, we go toga and then back to climb.
And
so
we could be above it. If we could be above it when we go.
Or above it, we do discontinue approach procedure, which is cancel the approach.
Yeah, check.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, I'm expecting to land with config full, auto brake low, runway 30 left, and vacate via Alpha 4.
Understood.
Once we vacate the runway, we stop, we get the clearance, we confirm the clearance, and then only then we do the after landing checklist.
Okay.
Confirmation.
Okay, so we have the arrival. Energy management, we have our gate, 8 miles, S speed, 2,400 feet. If we get a change of runway, it's in the secondary. If we get a tailwind, we have already flaps full. It's going to be a standard arrival. ILS 30 right is the primary plan.
30 left. 30 right, sorry.
30 right. And once we land, because of the taxiways, we'll vacate Alpha 4. No after landing checklist until we're fully happy, both comfortable, we know where we're going, the taxi routing, and on your command, I will commence the after landing checklist. If we do go around, caution, low go-around altitude. It'll be a discontinued approach from above, or could be a very quick level off from below.
Excellent. That makes sense. Thank you, Jess.
Okay.
Okay. Speed descent. Manage speeds.
Check.
Thrust idle. Descent.
Qatari 8983, contact Doha 1211. Good day.
1211, Qatar 893.
Clear and Air 501, contact UAE 13215. Good day.
3215, Clear and 501. Good day.
Etihad 371, speed 250, regag, speed 220 or less.
Speed 250 now, and regag 220 or less, Etihad 371.
250, can you set 220 on at regag?
I'm heads down.
Okay.
$10,000 above airdrome.
10,000 feet checks and approach checklist.
Okay.
Speed.
Checked.
Etihad 371, you have free speed.
Free speed, thank you, Etihad 371.
Welcome.
Approach checklist.
Yep.
Briefing.
Confirmed.
ECAM status.
Check.
Seatbelts.
On.
Minimum.
256, runway 30, right.
256. Set engine mode selector.
Normal.
Power reference value.
QNH 1010 set.
QNH 1010 set. Approach checks complete.
Thank you.
The 132, have you continued descent altitude 2000?
Descend altitude 2000, Delta
Your communication.
I have comms.
1,000 to go.
371, continue descent altitude 6000.
Descend altitude 6,000 at 371.
6,000 blue.
Check.
The 132 heavy, right heading 260, clear for ILS approach, 30 right, report localizer established.
Right 260 degrees, cloud and support 30 right, we'll put domain 1.
3,000. 1,000 to go.
Etihad 371, continue descent altitude 5000.
Descend altitude 5,000 at 371.
Okay, thrust all open, descent 5,000 blue.
Check.
Etihad 371, continue descent 3000, speed now 200. You are following Boeing 762, 10 miles from touchdown, caution go turbulence.
Okay, descend altitude 3,000 and speed 200 knots that he had. 371.
3,000 blue, speed selected 200. Activate approach
The
phase.
132 heavy, thank you, speed 160 or greater until
Check.
4, tower 18.5, bye-bye.
Confirm.
164, 18.5, domain 132, bye-bye.
India, Bravo, India, Alpha identified.
My side.
Etihad 371, continue descent altitude 2,000 feet, and Nagat, right heading 210 for base.
Descend altitude 2,000 and from Nagat heading 210 if you had 371.
Copy it. 2,000 blue,
Check.
after Nagat, 210 knot,
Hey.
210 degrees heading. Heading?
Check.
210.
John, you on the centre line?
Almost. Ask him to turn right. Yeah,
That's
please.
it, yeah. Radial inbound 120. Card heading.
Etihad 371, tail right heading 270, clear for ILS approach, please right, report to Plaza, establish, you have free speed now.
Okay, free speed, right turn at 270, localizer Wilco. Confirm clear approach, Etihad 371?
FM, Etihad 371, clear for ILS approach, please right.
Okay, clear ILS and pull your localizer, Etihad 371.
Okay, glass of blue, log blue, Cat3 dual, autopilot 1 and 2 on.
Checked.
Flap 1.
Speed, check. Flap. 1.
Okay, glass of star, log star.
Checked.
Miss approach 2500.
Checked. Etihad 371, fully established ILS 30.
371, thank you, contact tower 118, decimal 5, bye-bye.
1185, Etihad 371.
Northeast on discretion, QNH 1010 with Yankee, and expect runway 12 left for departure.
Okay, copy, wind clear from traffic, company traffic 25 kilo, clear for pushback, through discretion. QNH 1010 with information Yankee, and just confirm now the runway is 12 left.
Lock.
Check. 1 arrival, Yankee 12 left, German 519. Okay, German 519, copy.
Hello, Etihad 371, established ILS 30 right, 6 miles.
Gear down.
Gear.
Hello to you, Etihad 371, Bahrain Tower, surface 1060, 7 knots, runway 30 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 30 right, Etihad 371.
Okay.
060.
Kind of tailwind. Flap 3.
Speed check. Flap 3.
Flap full.
Speed check. Flap full.
Okay, landing checklist.
Landing checklist. Cabin crew.
Advised.
Affirm. Auto thrust.
Speed.
Auto brake.
Low.
ECAM memo.
Landing no blue.
Landing checklist completed.
Clear to land.
Clear to land.
Tailwind as expected.
Start tailwind, exactly.
Yeah, okay.
Ground reach 180, we're at parking stand 53, request.
Autopilot off. CAD 1.
Checked.
Reach 180 heavy, Bahrain ground, stand by, I have traffic pushing back.
Okay, we'll stand by.
1000.
3.1 miles to touchdown.
105.
Checked.
Clear to land, all completed.
Stable.
Check.
100 above.
Check. Land.
Checked.
Minimum.
Continue.
One hundred. 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard. Retard.
Spoilers. Reverse screen. Decel.
Final brakes.
Alpha 4 is the second, now the first, left 70 knots.
Alpha 4 taking to the left.
Check.
Etihad 371, taxi stand 16 Bravo, Alpha 4, left on Alpha, right on Sierra.
Alpha 4, left on Alpha, stand, say again, stand that he had 371?
Right on Sierra.
Stand 16 Bravo by right on Sierra.
Okay, 16 Bravo, so Alpha 4, left on Alpha, right Sierra, 16 Bravo, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
I go left.
AFM, clear right side.
Clear
It's
left.
actually as we briefed.
Okay, so first on Sierra, which is first right, and then
It's going to be the
16
first
Bravo.
available right after the work in progress.
And 16 Bravo.
And 16 Bravo is basically straight ahead once you enter.
So first right, straight
Three
ahead.
enter the runway by
AFM.
Alpha 9.
After land.
Roger, electric 43, entering the runway by Alpha 9. Please switch on all the light selection at 305.
Non-standard, I'll start the APU.
Yeah. Sierra coming up, first right.
Checked.
Tower electric 43.
I can see 16, I can see 16 Bravo.
Stand by, we are in the middle of changing the runway, stand by.
Roger, electric 43.
Clear right side, checks whenever you want.
After landing, go ahead.
After landing checklist. Flaps.
Config 1 plus F.
Spoilers.
Disarmed.
Radar.
Off.
Predictive wind shear system.
Off.
Consider one engine taxi. APU start. APU is starting.
Okay, 16 Bravo, I go left.
Yeah, it's, yes, got it, visual.
Okay, confirm.
Confirmed, and here it is, 16
Lights off.
Bravo.
And
Lights
continue
off.
with the checklist.
One engine taxi is not worth from here.
Yep.
So that is after landing checklist completed.
Thank you.
Brake fans if you want.
Not for the time.
Okay. Clear right side. Bleed on.
Parking brake on.
519 heavy, runway 12 left in use.
Okay, number 1, number 2, brake fans on. Thanks.
Okay, copy, ready to copy for German 519er. German 519 after departure, left turn heading 075. After departure heading 075, runway 12 left, German 519er copied, and we'll be ready to taxi in about 2 to 3
Brake fans on, please.
German 519.
Thanks.
Reach 180 heavy Bahrain ground.
Go ahead for reach 180.
Reach 180 heavy,
Parking checklist.
runway news now 12 left, and amendment clearance for you, advise
IPU
ready to
bleed
copy.
on, off, off, external lights,
Go ahead for reach 180.
nav logo, strobe auto,
After departure, runway 12 left, left turn heading
Off.
075.
Okay, after
Thank you,
departure,
just
12.
Hey guys, welcome in Bahrain. We're at stand 16 Bravo. We did, as expected, arrival and landing on runway 30 right. We're number 3 for the approach. We flew up in the runway and then we turned left, radar vectoring for the ILS of runway 30 right and parked at 16 Bravo.